Maria Elizabeth van Niekerk. When Anila Bukhari walked onto my screen, I could feel the vibration of her name. Whoever guards the you preserves life. No earthly system can silence what has been illuminated. Anila, you are not waiting for your moment. You are living it from a very young age. And I salute you for what you're doing and what you've done. The story is no longer hidden. We are not the authors of time, the keeper of destiny, but we need to reveal what's hidden. Anila, we thank you for your divine, timely interruption. Let us heal the trauma, mend what was done, unwind the lies that became beliefs. Let us promise now to expose the manipulation, illuminate the darkness. Let every transaction marked in secret be read aloud, and what was buried come out in the light. What was silenced speak louder than ever before. Let the systems that were weaponized against us now malfunction under the weight of truth. No more stolen identities, divine protection. The voices that were silenced are now speaking through dimensions. Let us choose light. We forgive because we refuse to take those chains into our future, into our new season. We accept the mantle not as a prize, but as a mission. Let us protect the children that were placed in our hands because they are divine gifts. They are our future. Let's break the agreement of fear and powerlessness. Let this be the hour where change begins. Let this be the chapter where names are corrected. Let us do a new thing. Anila Bukhari, I salute you. And I thank you for what you've done and are still doing for the children of this world. Let's take hands and do even more. Love, Maria.